I have a question about the Minyan. For
Minyan,
example,
okay.
for me, it's the first time I'm trying to pray something, service in the synagogue.
Yeah.
Can I stay silent the whole time and still be
Yes,
count?
yes.
But if I am a convert, I count as a Minyan or not?
A convert counts after he converts, but before he converts, he cannot be counted. And this person have to come over. If it's only 10 people, so a small congregation, so he can come over and say that to Rabbi, not announce to or a rabbi of the shul, say that I'm in process of conversion, so he would know what to do. He would not count. That's it. So I mean, it's needed. If there are two, it won't be anyway. He has to say, because they might call him for the reading of the Torah, which is he cannot go up, right? He cannot say all the blessings in vain and stuff like that. So all of this.